Namaste. Hope you're all doing well, my dear students. And in this period of coronavirus, which is badly affecting our country, I'd like to offer myself voluntarily as a professional, as a responsible citizen of our motherland. I'd like to support you with all your doubts or any explanations with regards to 11th and 12th mathematics, and as well 11th, 12th syllabus based IIT JEE main and advanced questions. And if you want any extra support with regards to mathematics, I'd like to make myself live through YouTube channel, and it is nothing but Polymath. You can see that on the board. My channel is Polymath, and all the subscribers, they can get the link and they can join my live. And if at all someone is do not have not subscribed to the channel, then they can send their doubts through WhatsApp to my number 924812299, and this is my mobile number, and that's WhatsApp number also. You can send your doubts or any other requirements with regards to explanation of any concepts or any theory. I'll make myself live through YouTube, and if at all the subscribers, if some of your friends need any explanation or any doubts they have, you ask them to subscribe to the channel so that they can be live to my show. And how I am planning for this one. See, I have a WhatsApp doubts group also in the name of Polymath. Try your math out. In that one, doubt is posted by the student. This is one of the doubts, and why I'm taking this one. I'd like to tell you how I'm going to explain you, or how I'm going to give you the explanation through live. This is the question posed by one of the students. This is a simple question only, but let us understand this. And just I'm taking up this just to make you how the show goes. See, this is the question is taken from the trigonometric equations. The sum of the solutions in open 0, 2 pi open of the equation cos x, cos of pi by 3 minus x, cos of pi by 3 plus x is equal to 1 by 4. Is equal to 1 by 4. Generally, in Telugu states, what I mean to say by Andhra and Telangana, because the MSET was very old in these two states, that is from my childhood itself, we have MSET. MSET consists of more questions and less time. That is the reason why we used to ask the students to remember that as a standard result. And even our gurus also asked us to remember that as a standard result. But in the rest of the states, maybe CBSE based education, 11th and 12th, or ICSE based education, they may not be taking it as a standard result. That's the reason why I'll first derive the standard result, and then we will solve it. So the question is cos x, cos of pi by 3 minus x, and cos of pi by 3 plus x is equal to 1 by 4. So, if you see this, cos x into cos of pi by 3 minus x into cos of pi by 3 plus x. Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b formula. Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b formula. Everyone must be knowing this. Otherwise, remember this. Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b, cos square a minus sine square b. So, based on that, you can, I write the formula here also for your reference. Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b is equal to cos square a minus sine square b, or sine square b, you can convert it like what? You can write it as 1 minus sine square a, 1 minus cos square b. So, you can also write it as cos square b minus sine square. Both formulae can be used. Okay, so let us apply the same for this one. Cos of pi by 3 minus x into cos of pi by 3 plus x. Let us apply this formula or this formula, whatever. So this becomes cos x into cos a plus b into cos a minus cos square b minus sine square. So cos square x minus sine square pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 4. So you can understand that this is cos x into, it is root 3 by 4, take 4 common, root 3 by 2 whole square, which becomes 3 by 4, root 3 by 2 whole square, which becomes 3 by 4. I have taken LCM. So 4 cos square x minus 3 divided by 4 is equal to 1 by 4. You can just check it out by simply setting that inside, cos x inside. This is 1/4 of 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x is equal to 1 by 4. So everyone knows this formula. It is cos 3a formula. Cos 3a 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. So what happens here? It becomes 1/4 of cos 3x is equal to 1/4. 1 by 4 getting cancelled on both sides. You will get cos 3x is equal to 1, which becomes cos 3x is equal to cos 0. I'm writing the general solution now. That is 3x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus 0 where n belongs to any integer. But we need it, according to the question, we need it between the open interval 0 and 2 pi open interval. So put n is equal to, before putting n value, let us write x value here. Implies x is equal to 2n pi by 3, n belongs to I. So n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Let us check it out. So which implies x is equal to 0, not taken, because it is open interval here. Even then I am writing that. If you write 1, it is 2 pi by 3. If you write 2, it is 4 pi by 3. If you write 3, it is 6 pi by 3, 2 pi. These two values are not taken because it is open interval. Now the sum of these solutions sum of these solutions is sum is equal to 2 pi plus 4 pi. 6 pi by 3 is equal to 2 pi is the answer. So let us check the answer, which option it suits now. So the solution I have explained you. Let me give you the answer now. The answer is second option here. Second option here. So I'll explain you the doubts, whatever you posted in my WhatsApp group, or any if it is in the video below in the YouTube, if you uh, in comments, if you post your doubts, or if you post your requirements, I'm ready to support you. And even I'm trying to support you in the remaining subjects also. I requested some of my friends to do this, and mostly it will be operative soon. So make use of this opportunity, and I'll be available uh, from morning 10 o'clock till night 10 o'clock. In between, of course, some lunch and dinner are there, and the rest of the time I'll definitely help you out in supporting. Okay, and be careful and maintain social distancing to be away from this coronavirus, and don't make yourself distance from your preparation. Okay, all the best, and I expect the response from you all.